Are you ready to start your Python journey or dive into data science? Let's explore Python, one of the most beginner-friendly and versatile programming languages. With its simple syntax and wide range of applications, Python is perfect for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. As a beginner, you'll learn about variables, data types, functions, loops, and control flow statements, all designed to help you build real programs quickly and effectively. Once you've mastered the basics, step into the powerful world of data science with Python's top libraries. Pandas helps with data manipulation, NumPy powers numerical computing, and Matplotlib brings your data to life through visualizations. Go further with SciPy for scientific analysis and Scikit-learn to build intelligent machine learning models. Together, these tools allow you to clean, analyze, visualize, and model data efficiently. Whether you are analyzing trends or building predictive models, Python gives you the power to turn data into insights. Start coding, start exploring, and unlock the full potential of Python and data science.